Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel description. So that's what you're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, to be able to edit your channel description, you have to access it through your YouTube studio. So now, as you can see, I'm already on my YouTube studio right here. So this is our home page, right? So now I want us to just scroll down, come here, scroll down, and then just click on customization, right? Click on here, and then once you click on customization, this should be opening up. Now I want you to click on basic info. So once you are on here, now as you can see, if you look here, you see this is description, right? So this is your channel description. Now you can set your channel description on here, so you can just edit it, or let's say you can change it, and then just write everything that you need to have in your channel description. So now once you are done editing, or once you are done adding, you can just click on publish, right? So just click on there, and then as you can see, each publish changes has been published. So that's how you can edit, or how you can change your channel description. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.